Finding the best barbecue meat thermometer can make grilling easier and help you cook meat safely without guessing. From my experience, the best barbecue meat thermometer gives fast, accurate readings and helps you get juicy results every time, whether you cook in the backyard or indoors. I've tested different thermometers over time, and understanding temperature control is something many grilling experts and home cooks in the USA rely on for consistent results. Let me share what I've learned so you can choose the right one with confidence. And all product links in description. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let's get started. Number 5. Alpha Griller's Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer. The Alpha Griller's Digital Instant Read Meat Thermometer feels simple and reliable during everyday cooking and weekend barbecue sessions. I like how the fast reading speed gives results in just seconds, which helps avoid overcooking chicken or steak. The large backlit display is easy to read even during evening grilling or low kitchen light. I also appreciate the waterproof design, since cleanup under running water saves time after cooking. It works well for grilling, air fryer meals, baking, and even candy making, so it feels versatile in real use. The thermometer comes pre-calibrated, which makes it beginner-friendly and stress-free right out of the box. One small downside is the plastic body feels basic compared to premium models, but accuracy stays consistent. Overall, it feels dependable, easy to use, and a great choice for home cooks who want quick and confident temperature checks. Number 4. ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP19H Digital Meat Thermometer feels simple and reliable during everyday cooking and weekend grilling. I like how the auto-rotate display makes reading temps easy from any angle, especially when the grill is crowded. The fast response time helps avoid overcooking, which matters when cooking steak or chicken for family meals. I also found the motion-sensing wake heater useful, since it turns on instantly when picked up and saves battery life when not in use. For many home cooks looking for the best barbecue grill thermometer, this model balances speed, accuracy, and price well. The waterproof design makes cleanup quick under running water, which saves time after long barbecue sessions. One small downside is the plastic body feels lighter than premium models, but performance stays consistent. Overall, it feels dependable, easy to use, and a solid choice for both beginners and regular grill users. Number 3. Meter Plus Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. The Meter Plus Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer changed how relaxed I feel while grilling or roasting at home. I like that the wireless probe removes messy cables and lets me move around freely while cooking. The app feels easy to follow, and the guided cook system helps estimate finish time, which is useful for long cooks like brisket or turkey. I also noticed how helpful it is for people searching for the best barbecue meat pen thermometer, especially if they want smart guidance instead of guesswork. Dual sensors track both meat and ambient heat, so results stay consistent even during slow smoking. Setup is simple, though Bluetooth range can depend on distance and walls. Cleanup is quick, and the probe feels durable for regular use. It suits cooks who enjoy tech and want better control without stress, making weekend grilling or holiday cooking feel calmer and more predictable. Number 2. ThermoPro TP19 Waterproof Digital Meat Thermometer. The ThermoPro TP19 Waterproof Digital Meat Thermometer quickly became a reliable tool when I wanted fast readings without standing too close to heat. I like how the ambidextrous display flips automatically, which makes checking temperatures easy from any angle during grilling or smoking. The readings feel very fast and accurate, so I worry less about overcooking steaks or chicken. The motion sensing power is also helpful because it turns on when picked up and saves battery life when not in use. For backyard cooks, it works well as the best barbecue smoker thermometer when you need quick checks during long cooks. Cleanup is simple, since it rinses underwater, which saves time after messy sessions. The magnetic back helps with storage, though I wish the body felt slightly more premium. Overall, it feels practical, easy to use, and dependable for everyday cooking and weekend barbecue sessions. Number 1. Meter SE Smart Bluetooth Meat Thermometer. The Meter SE Smart Bluetooth Meat Thermometer feels like a simple upgrade when you want less guesswork while cooking meat at home or outside. I like how the wireless smart probe lets me walk away from the grill while still tracking temperature on my phone. The app gives clear steps, which helps beginners feel calm during long cooks. The dual sensor system measures both meat and ambient heat, so results stay consistent even during slow smoking. For many home cooks, it easily works as the best barbecue meat thermometer when you want guided cooking without constant checking. I also enjoy how cleanup is easy since the probe is dishwasher safe. The Bluetooth range works well in most homes, though thick walls can reduce distance a bit. Overall, it feels modern, helpful, and great for anyone who wants steady results with less stress. Final verdict. If you want one thermometer that feels simple yet smart, I personally recommend the Meter SE Smart Bluetooth Meat Thermometer as the best overall pick. The wireless design and app guidance make long cooks easier, especially for grilling or smoking where you want freedom to move around while tracking temperature with confidence. It feels modern and helps remove guesswork for beginners and experienced cooks alike. For a budget-friendly and reliable option, the ThermoPro TP19 waterproof digital meat thermometer is a great choice. It is fast, accurate, and simple to use when you just want quick readings without apps or setup. Check the description links for current prices and more details, and pick the meat thermometer that fits your style and need best.